Okay. Hi guys, how are you? I am doing good. So we'll wait for 2 minutes and then we will start. Okay, because I have a very bad habit that I will never tell people. I will never tell my subscriber that I'm going to come live. But I'm sorry, guys, because sometimes the problem is that if say that I'm coming live by 8 o'clock and there is some issue that I am not coming, then it's not good, right? So, okay. So first of all, let me know that if you can hear me, then we can start about it. If someone is online and he or she want to say yes, then I'll be really grateful. We will wait for only 2 minutes. Okay. Hardik is there. He's my candidate. Hi, Hardik. Mukit. Thank you for your reply. And we'll be starting in 2 minutes. Because our today's topic is really interesting. Hi Anand, how are you, man? Most of the people I know personally, kind of, because I know them, because they are my regular subscriber. They used to comment on my channel, and because of that only, I remember their name also. Hi Shashank, hi Anand, hi Arvind, Vinod. Thank you for joining, guys. So Mukit is saying that, sir, I have completed BSc it in 2011 and I'm doing a training, DBA training in Pune. Great, man. Yes, Anand, I'm good. Thank you. Reda. Hi, Reda. Thank you for joining this meeting. So just hold on. So how is life going on? Are you practicing yourself? So what you prefer, guys? Like, are you going for the classes or you are doing the practice on your own only? Some of my subscribers are my candidate only. My candidate means I provide a training also. One more update which I want to tell you guys that I'm going to start my new batch from tomorrow. So if anyone is there who want to connect with me for the training purpose, definitely you can reach out to me. My mobile number and email ID is already there. You can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. So it will be a really good, like a real-time activity. You'll come to know about this Oracle database training, and definitely you'll learn a lot of things. Apart from this, what I'm going to do, I'm also concentrating on the automation part. Performance tuning is there. Okay, all the steps I'm going to do it. So I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch, and if you are really interested and you are looking for to start your career in Oracle DBA field, then definitely you can reach out me. I'm there to help you out. So the good thing about my batch is there will not be a huge number of counts like 50-40 people. No, there will be maximum 3 to 4 people or 2 people, not more than that. And then all the interview questions we are going to cover. Apart from this, we are also going to cover the resume preparation. And after the class, once we finish with our class, if you want to connect with me related to the any technical stuff, definitely you can contact me. So the most important thing which I personally, someone suggested me that why I'm not taking the mock interview. So I'm going to start the mock interview also, because what I'm going here, that once we done with our class, okay, once we done with our class, we are conducting the mock interview so that the candidate will be more confident about like how he can now like what kind of questions will be there in the interview. Okay, so my thinking is whenever I'm taking any class, after the class means on the same day only, I'm also providing the list of interview questions. Okay, so there are many candidates I have trained till now from different the corner of the world, not only from India as well as from different okay people, and they are really doing good. uh, and most of the people, there some people are not working in Oracle DBA, some people are just a fresher and they just join the classes, they put the efforts, and now they are working as a Oracle DBA. Some of the people, they are already working as a professional, but they are not getting the kickstart, like how they can start their career in the Oracle DBA field. So those people are also coming back to me and they are asking for classes, and after finishing the classes they are getting the jobs. So the things are pretty much good. And review, you like, this thing, right? You know me from very well. Okay, so okay, Mukid is saying due to this corona now our classes are online. Yes, even I am also providing the online classes only. I don't provide any offline classes right now. Maybe in future, let's sometimes I'm getting the calls like for offline also, but let's say in future we will do it. The best part about the online classes is like all the sessions can be recorded. Okay, so in my training also I am recording all the sessions. So if you have any doubts, you can just refresh yourself by seeing the recordings. Okay, Vinod, how can I join your classes? Vinod, please ping me on my WhatsApp number. I will just try to put my WhatsApp number on the chat only. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number, and you can connect with me. So Anand is saying at DSM, I'm working as an IT engineer from last second 2 years and giving the support as Oracle DBA in my organization, but I have 3 years of gap, 2014 to 17. From 2018 I'm working, please suggest. Okay, so now we'll start with our the actual topic, like, can we restart our career as a Oracle DBA after the gap? Okay, so this is not something related like to specific group only. Okay, there are many people, especially if I'm just calling it really to the related to the ladies, like the female candidate basically. So most of the female candidate that I have observed, even I'm getting the calls also, that they have completed their engineering and they were working for some years with some industry, and after the marriage sometimes the situation will be like that they cannot continue their job, and after certain kind of gaps, maybe 2 years 3 years, they are thinking like, okay, now I want to again restart my career. So the candidates like this, okay, I want to tell you that you can definitely start your career. There will not be anyone who that there will not be any problem that you cannot get the jobs. Okay, so you can ask for the job. You definitely you can use your previous experience also. Now since you have a gap, definitely there will be some kind of chances that your technical skill set will be not up to the mark, but you need to make sure that you need to put the efforts, and definitely you can get a job. Now what I can say that, don't think like, okay, if I have the gap, I cannot start my career. There are a lot of candidates in this world, like they have a lot of gaps because of certain, maybe a personal issue or whatever the issue. Some people are going for the business. What I again observe, like some people are going for the business, they are starting their business, but because of certain issue the business is not going good. Now they are stopping the business and again they want to join to the company. So that business, the whatever the duration they were giving it to the business, now that duration will not be part of your experience, right? So in that case, don't think like, okay, even though that experience will not be calculated, but your previous experience will be always helpful for you. Okay, in the IT industry, it never looks for like, okay, do you have a gap or not. Even though if you have a gap and there is some proper reason, you can just submit the gap certificate. But let me tell you guys, none of the company will look for the gap. They are mainly looking for the candidate, those who can those who can give a good interview, basically a strong candidate into the technology, and then you can start your career. Maybe there is some chances because of this, since you have a gap, there will be some chance related to the package, but don't worry about that, rest of the things will be really good. Okay, I am getting many calls related to this gap, and people are asking me that what I supposed to do. So try yourself on naukri.com or monster.com. Okay, the gap will not be a problem for your career. Even though if you have gap, just take the training from the any classes or wherever you want to take. Be prepare yourself, and then you can start your career one more time. Because to start the career, only the first company is important. Okay, once you get the first company, once you get the knowledge about like how IT industry works, then you can start your career automatically. No one can stop you guys. Okay, no one can stop you. If you don't like the company, jump to the another company. If you don't like second company, jump to the third company. You have, there are a lot of opportunities are there in the market. Lot of opportunities are there. Now the business is like very much online only, and in order to manage those business, we need the people who have the technical skill set. Okay, so guys, one more request, that please like this channel and share this channel. Okay, can you please like this video? I know there are a lot of people, those who are online, they are watching me, they are listening me, but I want you to like the video at least. Thank you, someone like me. And if you have any queries, definitely I'll be there. I usually want to come by Saturday or Sunday, but because of certain like like sometimes I'm also not getting the times. So on that time, I used to, whenever I'm getting the free time, I'm coming you guys. Okay, so guys, if you have a gap in your career, don't be low. Okay, don't be think like I cannot start my career. There are few people, they are working in the back office. There are few people, they are working with some different technology. Okay, let's say you are working as a network engineer, but now you think like, no, I don't want to continue with my network engineer, I want to continue with Oracle DBA. Okay, so there is no issue, you can use your network engineer experience also for your Oracle DBA. Okay, so the thing is, the most like, okay, let me tell you one example. Nowadays the people are mainly moving to this ML, which is machine learning, and big data stuffs, they are moving over there. Okay, now what is happening, guys? When they are moving to this latest technology, let's say this latest technology are coming maybe 2 years back or 3 years back. Okay, but you have the experience with the IT industry from last 10 years. So you can tell to the manager, you can tell to the HR that yes, I'm working with this ML, which is a machine learning, from last 2 years, and previously my experience is in some different technology, because the technology get changes all the time. Okay, previously I started my career with the web development, then I started from web development to the some sort of different tools, kind of I was handling tools. Then I moved to the Oracle DBA. Nowadays I'm working with the cloud technology. So depend upon the technology, the things will get changed. Okay, so never think that your previous experience will never work. Okay, your previous experience is really really important. Okay, it can be anything, and if you have the gap in your career, you can start your career, guys. Okay, I have seen lot of people, there are a lot of people trained under me also. Even most of my friends are there, colleagues are there, because I'm working with this IT industry from so many years. And I saw people that after so many gaps also, you can start your career. Okay, and especially to the let me take especially for the female candidate, because the life will never be smooth, right? There will be always ups and down. Okay, so don't think like, don't be much negative, don't think much negative like how can I start. Just put the efforts, and definitely you can start your career. Okay, now Mukid is asking what type of interview process, sir? Tell some as Oracle DBA. Okay, uh okay, let me discuss about the interview now. Since Mukid is asking me about the interview process, I will tell you some of the things. Now when you go for an interview for Oracle DBA, okay, what will happen most of the time, don't think that they will ask you to do some kind of practical things. Okay, now when you go for the interview of let's say a programming skill, you can take it the example of Java, Python, this kind of stuff. There is a chances that they can give you one program, and they will ask you, okay, now write down this program. Not on the PC, but let's say on the one any paper or somewhere, they will ask you to do that. So what you will do, you will write down the program, and they will share it with the manager. Now he will check, and he will say yes or no. But in terms of Oracle DBA, what will happen, now when you go for an Oracle DBA, okay, first of all he will ask you about your project. First of all, he will ask you about your project. Okay, tell me about your project. Now here the lot of people get confused, like what should I supposed to tell him about my project. Some people just took the training from different classes, and they are not understanding like, oh, what to do now. That is a problem. Okay, so if you are starting your career as a Oracle DBA, the first part you need to understand, like, what is the responsibility of Oracle DBA, what these people are doing exactly, that you need to understand. If you understand this thing, then you can gradually try to understand one thing. Okay, that you can do. Now once this interviewer will sit in front of you, he will start asking the question like, okay, what is your responsibility, tell me about yourself. First question he will be asking you, tell me about yourself. Second question he will ask you like, okay, what is your responsibility, what is your project, tell me about your project. Now there are many people, they know about the technical stuff. There are many people, they know about the technical stuff. Like if I'm asking you what is table space, you can tell me. What is table space, you can tell me. But if I am asking you what is your responsibility, then the people will get confused. Okay, so this kind of process oriented question, you should be ready to deal with that. Okay, you should be knowing that what kind of processes are there, what is the process oriented, like what, how you're getting the tickets in your how you're getting the tickets in your project, how you're resolving, what is the priority. Okay, how are you monitoring to the Oracle databases. These are the something that you will understand when you're working as a Oracle DBA only. Okay, or the person who is training you, in that case only. Okay, so if I'm not a Oracle DBA but my friend is working as a Oracle DBA, you can ask him, uh, bro, what are you doing in your project, can you please tell me like how is the activity, what kind of activities you are performing. So whenever he will tell you about the list of activities, you just take a note of it, and rest of the technical stuff you can get it from my channel. You, if you are taking the training under me, then you can get it from there also. Or if you are taking the training under anyone, okay, from there also you can understand all the stuff. A lot of blogs are there, Udemy is there, Coursera is there. I used to put a lot of things on my YouTube channel, right? So from there also you can learn the things. Okay. Yes. So Anand Kumar is saying table space management and user management from last 2 years and hot backup and cold backup. Yes. If you are a fresher, this kind of topics you can consider, like your table space is there. Not fresher, when you have experience around 2 years. Okay. In that case, you can think about it. Guys, please like this video, share this video, because continuously I'm speaking. I know there are a lot of questions on my channel now, I can see it. Okay, let me see, please like it. Okay, until the time I'm just reading this question, please like it. Good evening sir, Teja is saying that is non-IT branch student can Oracle DBA course. Previously I have created one video on my second channel. That channel is Engineer Ankush, where I have explained about, like, if I am not, from the CS background. Okay, in engineering we have a different streams are there. Okay, a different stream is, we have a computer science, mechanical, electronics, civil, electrical. A lot of branches are there in the engineering. Now if I am from the mechanical branch, can I enter as a Oracle DBA? That is a question. Yes, you can do that. When I'm taking the interview, I'm not going to ask you whether you are a computer guy, IT guy, whoever you are. I'm just checking for your knowledge only. I'm just checking for your knowledge. If I'm asking you the question and you are capable to give me the answer, I will hire you. I will not think about it, who you are, from where you are. All the stuff is useless for me. For me, what is important, that you have the knowledge. Okay, so if someone who is a non-IT guy or non-CS guy, non from computer branch, okay, you can join your career as a Oracle DBA. No one can stop you. Now let's talk about, this is all about the engineering. Now let's see, like, there are many people, they are from the BSc, BCA, okay, from different graduation they have completed. See, if you want to enter into the IT industry, or if you want to enter into the Oracle DBA field, no one is expecting that you should be engineer only. If you have the knowledge, you can be anyone and you can join our Oracle DBA stream. No one can stop you guys. Okay, so don't think too much about is like, oh, I'm not I'm not an engineer, so how can I join this batch? Okay, so Akash is saying that, sir, is it necessary to study RAC for 1 year experience? Okay, now if you're asking me that whether it is compulsory that I should have the knowledge about the RAC for 1 year, I can say no, that is not needed. If you're asking me, is it good to have the knowledge about the RAC, I can say yes. See, RAC is something which is useful for the high availability purpose. If you're putting that you have a RAC knowledge, at least basic knowledge, okay, you can tell to your manager, you can tell to the person who is an interviewer, saying that I have a basic knowledge about the RAC, but I am having 1 year of experience, 2 years of experience. I can understand this guy is for 1 year and 2 year. I will not go beyond the Oracle architecture. I will be there and there and there only in Oracle architecture and some basic responsibility of Oracle DBA. If someone is expecting that you are having 2 years or 1 years of experience and you should know the each and every concept of RAC, then that is a problem with the interviewer. It's not a problem with you. Okay, but let me tell you frankly, guys, no one will ask you about the RAC when you have 1 year of experience. If we are mentioning that, yes, you know at least basic, like how to start the RAC, what is RAC, what are the services of RAC, these are some basic things are there. If you know these things, then definitely, Akash, you are really good. Okay, but try to be more concentration on your Oracle architecture, user management, table spaces, these steps which everyone will ask you. Okay. Anand Parmar, he is my student. Ankush is the ideal of many database technology. Thanks, man. Thank you so much. Adula Rakesh, which cloud technology is best for fresher? See, now most of the people are getting confused with the cloud technology. Why I'm saying that? Cloud is something which is not a one thing. Okay, let me tell you guys. There are a lot of cloud platforms are there. We have a GCP is there, okay, which is a Google Cloud. We have a second cloud that is called Oracle Cloud is there. Then we have AWS, Azure is there. A lot of cloud platforms are there. Okay. Now, if you know only one technology, okay, let's say I know AWS. Okay, AWS means the application is based upon the AWS. Okay, let me take one example as Hadoop. Okay, I can have my Hadoop on the AWS. I can have my Oracle database on the AWS. So if someone is asking that, okay, I know AWS, but apart from this AWS or any cloud, you should know one strong technology. I am Oracle DBA. Okay, and if my database is on AWS or any other cloud platform, I should have the knowledge, at least basic understanding about the AWS or the cloud platform which providing me these services. Okay, nowadays it is very easy, guys, to install this Oracle database on the cloud. I still remember when I did my installation on Unix platform for the first time, I took around 1 month to complete the installation. But if you just use this cloud platform, you can do it click and next. You can install it within 2 seconds, 2 minutes, not more than that. So Akash is saying that I have 1 year of experience and they ask me patching, tuning, AWR. Is it right? See, everything is right in this world. Now, if there are the people, those who are sitting, now let's say I'm taking the interview and I have a requirement of the person who knows AW, who should know the AWR. Okay, so I ask 100 people, and I know that out of 100 people, 50 people know about the AWR and this patching activity. So I will see someone who can join my organization with low budget and good knowledge. Okay, कम में ज़्यादा दम हम बोलते हैं, kind of stuff it is there. Okay, so it is, as I said, like if you have the knowledge about this, at least the basic understanding on 1 year of experience, that is really good. Okay. So let me, it's better now to learn DBA. We know this saying. I have completed BSc 2015. I'm thinking to learn the Oracle DBA. Yes, we know what's the problem. You completed your BSc in 2015 and now you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA. You can do that. Think about other streams also. Okay, I never ask people that only join the Oracle DBA. In IT industry, I can tell you guys, there are thousands of technologies are there. Okay, at least 100 I can tell you now. Okay, so you can learn any technology. So if you have the knowledge about the programming, you can go for Python is there, ML is there, Spark is there, a lot of Java programming is there. You can think about this. That is a development platform. Some people are there, they are not much good with the programming. Okay, they are not good with the programming, especially from the non-IT people, non computer guys. Okay, so if you're from the mechanical branch and you want to start your career in the programming skill, then it is quite difficult, because in the mechanical branch you will not have the subject like the C++ will not be there, right? So it is quite difficult for you to directly jump on the programming skill set. So you can do that. I'm not telling that you cannot do that. You can do it, but it will take some efforts. Okay, and if you don't want to write down this programming, then you can go for the Oracle DBA. Linux admin is there, network admin is there, that is called infrastructure services. See, all the stuffs are coming in under the infrastructure services. Oracle DBA, Unix admin, we called it a system admin, network admin, Citrix people, then Microsoft Link, Office 365. These are the different technologies are there. Okay, so you can be one among them if you don't have much understanding about the programming skill set. Oh, so Akash is saying, how will be the market for Oracle DBA in this Corona situation? Will get job after Corona. So first thing is I am not sure like when this Corona will go. Okay, but let me tell you guys, now also I'm getting the calls. I know they, because of this pandemic situation, most of the people have lost their job, especially in the middle skill company. I can see on my LinkedIn also. Okay, that most of the people have lost their job, but don't think like there are not much vacancies. Again, today also I got 3 calls for the technology for my, for nowadays I'm working on Hadoop, so I got 3 calls for the Hadoop. They are hiring, there are people they are hiring. Okay, so don't think that the opportunities has been stopped. No, opportunities are there. Okay, some of the industry has been impacted, some of the industry has not been impacted. Okay, but the opportunities are there. Okay, so Akash is saying that I also lost job, sir. I have 1 years of experience. Yes, I'm really sorry to hear that, but don't be depressed, Akash. There are opportunity. Keep update your resume, and definitely you will get the call. And you should be ready whenever you are getting the opportunity. See, opportunity never knocks the door again and again. Okay, someone said that whenever we are getting the opportunity, you should be ready for that. You should, only one chance makes your life easy. Only one chance. Okay, and you should be ready to grab that chance. And I know you can do that. I know you can do that. It is very easy, guys, to get a job into the IT industry. It's not like the other people. Everything is free of cost. Get the internet, install it on your system, and be ready whatever you want to do. No one can stop you. No one can stop you. Okay, so if someone have lost the job, don't be depressed and start looking for the job, start practicing yourself. Okay, definitely you, one or other day you will get the jobs. When I came to the Pune location almost 6 years back, I was a kind of fresher only. I was not having much opportunity on that time, and I was not having these kind of people like who will guide me on that time. I just randomly started looking on some Naukri.com, because Naukri is something which is really popular among the IT industry. And there were some off campuses where there I was just looking for this job. I still remember that I used to go on this PCMC bus was there. On that time I was not having money also, so in the limited money I had to travel in the it was a rainy season, or the situation was really bad. But at the end, the things are good. Now you can see like all the stuffs are good. Okay, so Jyoti is saying that please make a video on Oracle 19c replication. Okay, hi Shubham. So what is the best way to learn SQL DBA? So Jane says, sir, if you have if you get a gap in middle, like I work 1.5 years Oracle code even 2016, can you be able to clear the interview now? Any guidance can you give, sir? I'm from Hyderabad. So Sojanya, just now we discussed about the same thing only, that most of the people have, especially with the female candidate, that they may have a gap. So that's not a problem. Okay, and don't think that you are the first person in this whole world that you are having the gap. No, lot of people are there, lot of, because life is never be a smooth, it is always the full of ups and down. Okay, so don't think that if you have the gap you cannot start your career once again. No, you can use your previous experience. Okay, you can use your 1.5 years of experience, and you can tell that yes, I was working as a Oracle DBA because of certain issue. You you were not able to continue your career, but now you want to start your career. He will immediately start with the Oracle DBA questions. Okay, if you want to start with the Oracle DBA, you will start with the question, you should be ready to give the answer, and again from the next day you will be the part of company. Okay, there will not be any question. I have 3 years of SQL developer experience. Is it good to move the SQL DBA? SQL developer. Okay. So Mohammed saying that he's having 3 years of experience SQL developer. So SQL developer is also a good stream. Why you want to move to the SQL DBA? Okay. If you want to move to the SQL DBA, that is again really good. That's not a problem. You can move your career from SQL to any other stream, because SQL is something which is quite famous in all over the world. Nowadays I'm working with this Hadoop. In Hadoop we have a component, we called it as a Hive. In that Hive we need to write down this SQL script only. Okay, nowadays whenever I'm going for an interview, the still people are asking me about the left join, right join, all the stuff still the people are asking me. Okay, so don't think that SQL is something which is not good. Yeah, you should have the knowledge about the SQL. Last time I suggested a lot of people to use this hacker rank, hacker earth, if you remember those my video, that this platform is something which I am also using, guys. Okay, which I am using from long time, and that will really help you to grow up your career, to increase your knowledge, to increase your logical skill, all the stuffs, analytical skill. So use this hacker rank, hacker earth. So guys, please like and share this video with everyone. Okay, I'm speaking continuously from last 32 minutes, so can you please like it at least, so that I'll feel like okay, I'm doing something good now. Okay, thank you for liking it. So till that time I will just read the questions. Are there any institute in Pune which give you the industry experience, real time, not theory, real time experience? So I cannot suggest any name, good or bad, any that I cannot tell you. But only thing which I can tell you about myself that I am also providing the training. So if you want to connect with me, you can use my mobile number or my email ID, where I am giving all the things which are completely real time. And you guys already seen my videos like how I'm training. Okay, and because of that only you people are here, right? So if you have any, if you want to join my batch, and because I'm going to start my new batch from tomorrow. Okay, so join and be ready, and my guidance is always there, guys, for you. Okay, I am always there to help you out with anything. Okay, interesting explorer. Tanu, what is this? Tanirum Ramu. Hi sir, I have completed my agreement in my company. Now I want to switch company, but I don't have any interview experience. I also don't know how to prepare resume. Please suggest me. I have 18 months of experience. Okay, Tanuru, what you can do, you can drop me an email. I will give you some sample resume related to the Oracle DBA. Okay, that will help you to create the Oracle DBA resume. Okay, I will tell you about that. Okay, I can help you with this. So my email ID is my name only, my channel name, ankush.thaudi@gmail.com. Okay, even you can get my email ID and my mobile number into the description. Okay, so I will help you with this resume preparation for you. Okay, and let's talk. Okay, and you want to switch your company, as I said, like please think like where you want to move, whether you want to move with this Oracle DBA, or you want to move with any other technology, and accordingly you can start practicing yourself. Sir, can you tell me, Sojan is saying, sir, can you tell me important blogs or mock exam for improving the Oracle DBA or RAC knowledge? Okay, so for Oracle DBA the best blog is oraclebase.com. That is really good. And you can also look for some other blog. What is that blog? 1 minute, I'll just tell you guys. Okay, I'll just tell you. Oh, I forget the name. Oracle DBA. I'm just checking. Okay, 1 minute. I'm just checking. There are a lot of blocks are there, but since you asked me about the base block, so Oracle Berlins, what is that? Oracle Berlin. Okay, so this Oracle Berlin, this one is good. Okay. Oh, he has changed his domain. Looks like now. Previously, the things were something different. Now he has changed DBA dash Oracle. He made the changes. Looks like previously the name was different, but now he has changed it. Okay, so Oracle Burleson is there. Okay, that you can Burleson. Okay, and Oracle base. These two things are really good, guys. Okay, so you can look for it. About the fee structure, guys, you can connect with me on my channel, on my mobile number, and there I will discuss about the fees. Okay, Sandeep Patil is asking me about the course fees. Okay. Uh, what is my mobile number? My mobile number is 9960262955. You can get my mobile number in the description also. Okay. Let me keep. I have just pinged also here. Okay. I also pinged here. So what is next question? How trainings projects we can tell to the interview as a real time project, sir? Anand is saying that really you are doing the best thing, sir. Salute. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for appreciating me. Because when I'm getting this kind of appreciation, then I'm feeling like okay, let's do it one more time. Sheffield is saying that you have a basic knowledge of MySQL. That is really good for you. Okay, so that will help you to start your career with the MySQL DBA is also there. Okay, don't think that we have only Oracle DBA. We have MySQL DBA is also there. Okay, so you can use that. I just using my router ID and create primary database on one laptop and standby on another DB. Sir, is this real time in, sir? See, Mukit, if you want to set up the data guard environment, you don't want two laptop actually. What you can do, you can use your VMware machine, and in that VMware machine, you can install two node. Okay, two node means one is your primary node and second is your standby node, and by using that VMware to VMware machine, you can just play with that as your data guard environment. Okay, so don't think that you need to have a two laptop for the data guard environment. No, if you want to just do the practice, you can use a one computer. In that one computer, install two VMware setup. One is your primary, second is your standby, and then use the concept of your data guard like managed services and how the data is getting replicated from your primary to standby. All the steps you can do it very easily. Okay, thank you, man. Thank you so much for Mukid is asking how the training project we can tell you. See, training project means like you can talk about like what kind of environment you have in your project. Some people are saying that we have a single instance database. You can talk about like how many databases you have, how many production databases, test databases. Then we have development databases are there, how some activity, let's say you are doing some activity, patching activity on your production database, so how the process, what kind of monitoring tools you are using on your on your project. Then you can discuss about what are the ticketing tools you guys are using. Okay, all the steps you can use. Okay. Sir, Sojan is saying like, sir, if we have a gap in the middle, if we attain interview with 12C DBA RAG is enough or not enough? That's good. Like a RAG, data guard, PT, these are all things which you covered. And if you have 2 3 years of experience, only the basic knowledge about the Oracle DBA, that is enough for you to crack the interview. But if you have experience like 3 4 years, then definitely you need to you should be more prompt about the Oracle database, not only with the Oracle architecture. You should know like data guard, what is data guard, ASM, then RAC, all the stuff you should be aware about it. Okay, so guys, I think we are good for today. So can you please like one more time, and then I can stop from here. We already discussed for around 40 minutes. I tried my best to tell you guys. So if you want to, if you are looking for Oracle database training, you can connect with me. My mobile number is 9960262955, and my email ID is my name only, which is ankush.thauri@gmail.com. All my details you can get it into the description section of this video. And it was really a good time to talk with you guys, and the same way I'll be coming again and again. Okay, I'll be there to help you out. So in my next video I'll be covering few of the things related to the Oracle DBA, and then uh, I'll be also discussing about the Spark, Hadoop, all the stuff. I have also started the my training on Hadoop technology. So if you are interested for that, you can connect with me. So thank you so much for joining. It was a nice time to talk with you, and definitely will be create. Okay, do you have any WhatsApp group for a DBA vacancy? Yes, we do have also. Connect with me, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, see you again with the next video. And it's 9:40, let me go for the dinner. Even I am hungry, and you can also go for dinner, guys. Okay, let's have a chicken today. Bye bye, see you again with the next video. Thank you.